Hey guys, let's do this video. Okay, so this is a very interesting integral. Oh, we should call it interesting integral. I think this is what I'm going to put in the title of the video. Okay, so my strategy is this inside one. We're going to try a form of u sub. So if we say u is equal to the square root of x squared plus the square root of x squared plus x plus dot dot dot, we see this is the same as this, so we can say it's equal to x squared plus x plus u. So we know u squared minus u is equal to x squared plus x. Maybe we need to try like implicit differentiation or something. Because here we have what u is and here we have what x is. So if we're able to find um like okay, now we have the integral from 1 to 0 of u du. No, because du isn't equal to this. But okay, let's do implicit differentiation. We have it'd be 2u minus 1 du is equal to 2x plus 1 dx. So can I like do something here with this? I don't know. Um, hmm, maybe. Okay, I'm glad here that we simplified this down to a closed form thing, but now we have it like this, and I don't know how to turn it from this into something where we have du. Yeah. Um, well, okay, let's find u of 1. U of 1 is equal to u squared minus u is equal to 2. So u squared minus u minus 2 is equal to 0. So, well, if we have here, it'd be 2 plus u. Okay, so now, u minus 2, u plus 1. So then u is equal to 2 or negative 1. It's going to be have to be 2. Not going to be equal to both, actually. Oh, no, it can't. Because we have 1 is equal to square root of 2, or negative 1 is equal to the square root. Yeah, no. So 2 is equal to the square root of 2 plus 2. Yeah. So 2, and then is equal to 2, and then u of 0 is equal to, so x squared, or u squared minus u, so u of 0 is equal to here. Is equal to 0. Jeez. So we have the integral from 0 to 2 of u, then we still have dx. Now we need to somehow turn dx into something we can work with. Um, did I implicitly differentiate this or just erase that? I'm not sure. We have 2u minus 1 du is equal to 2x plus 1 dx. Because we don't see that in here. We don't see the 2x. Maybe we need to like, how can we get rid of the x squared here? If we take the square root, but if we take the square root, we're either going to have to move this x to this side and that will mess it up, or like, we can't take the square root. So, what can we do? I could just find what dx is, and then we could solve this integral. What dx is in terms of u. We have 2u du minus 1, or minus du. Minus du is equal to 2x dx plus dx. Um, I mean, we could find du over dx if that would help at all. Or maybe we can take the integral inside of this expression here. I was watching an integration bee and they did something like that. So maybe we could do that instead. Or, you know, maybe we could square the entire integral and we could do something like that. Not sure. Well, we see this integral here. Let's call this integral here I. I is going to be equal to the integral from 0 to 1 x, or I squared. It's going to be equal to the integral from 0 to 1 of x squared plus the integral from 0 to 1 of x plus the integral of u. And if we replace I with the integral of u squared from 0 to 1, it's equal to this. So maybe can we like factor the integrals or something? Oh, we could figure out what this is. This is just 1/2 x squared, so it's just this is going to be 1/2. This is going to be 1/2, and this is going to be 1/3. So we have I squared is equal to 1/6 plus I. Then we have I squared minus I minus 1/6 is equal to 0. So then solving, let's use quadratic formula, I is equal to negative b, 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 squared minus 4 times a times negative 1/6 all over 2. So we get 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 4/6 all over 2. This is equal to 10/6. So we get 16/6, wait, 10/6. So now we have 1 plus or minus square root of 10 over 6 all over 2. Yeah, this has to be, this is going to be positive. So we're going to have plus. So we have 1 plus 1/2, or I guess just 1 plus 10 over 6 over 2. Let me check if this is correct. I'll be right back. The answer was 3/2, but I feel like I was a lot of the way there. Because, well, that would mean, let's say it's 3/2, then this would have to be equal to 2. If that's equal to 2, this inside is equal to 4. So, how do we make that equal to 4? I'm not sure. Minus 4ac all over 2. I just don't see what I did wrong here. So the integral of u squared is equal to this. Yes. So, yeah, so this is incorrect. So, do we know this is equal to 1/3? We have x cubed over 3 from 1 to 0, yes. And then this is, yeah, so 1/2. So, oh, I'm silly. This should be, 5/6. 5/6. So this should be 5/6. So this should be 5. So then plus 26. So 1 plus 20 over 6 is 26 over 6, which is greater than 4. Um, 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 b squared minus 4 is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all on 2a quadratic formula. Quadratic formula to something I don't know. I feel like I was close. I feel like I was on the right track, but I don't know what I did wrong. I thank you guys for watching. Sincerely, I will see you guys tomorrow. If any of you know how to solve this or what I did wrong, please tell me. Alright. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.